Hi, I don't know how you're feeling about the approaching holidays, whether it's with trepidation or looking forward to it, or however it is you celebrate whatever your holidays are and whatever your traditions are. It's obvious that we all want to just enjoy a little bit of time and enjoy some of the foods that we appreciate, and I don't know if I would call them comfort foods, but holiday foods. And rather than doing a cooking demo in my kitchen, I've decided this year to publish my little ebook that has an entire holiday meal that can be made that is with all high antioxidants, delicious foods for recipes. And so I have a beautiful little ebook, if anyone would like it, that I'm going to put the link below in the description. And you'll be able to make things like chocolate truffles without sugar. You'll be surprised at how good they are. Date and nut snack bars, braised broccolini with dried figs and nuts. Just some beautiful foods that might even become holiday traditions for you. Butternut squash risotto made with brown rice and butternut squash and sage. Just delicious. A creamy lentil soup. And what else do I have in there? Oh, we have some non-meat meatballs made with eggplant. I think you will enjoy those. So it's a colorful little booklet. It has all the recipes in there for you. I hope you will enjoy it. I am Carol Amendola, the Italian nutritionist, and all of my recipes are Mediterranean inspired. So maybe you want to just treat yourself or treat some of your company with some of these dishes when you get together on the holidays this year. Thanks so much for subscribing. Thanks so much for spending time with me this year. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so and give the video a like. Hope you enjoy the booklet. Thank you.